How to block a buyer on eBay. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you block a buyer on eBay. So let's get started. First, as I want to inform you that if you want to block a buyer, you must have the seller account and you have to open it on browser. Simply open any browser. After you open browser, in the source field, search for ebay.com. After you are logged back to your seller account, simply at the top for searching in the search bar ebay.com slash bmgt. After you search for it and log into your account, you will see options like a text box. If you have the seller ID, simply in the text box you'll have to type the username of the buyer you want to block. After you add the username, click on submit, and from that way, the buyer is now blocked from buying or purchasing your items. In my case, I have no any seller ID, and that's it. This is the method to block a seller on eBay. If you found this helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.